Okay, so you figured out that you do need to collect sales tax as a photographer, but now you're staring at your client invoicing thinking, how the heck do I actually do that? How do you register? Where do you send the money? What if I mess it up? If you're overwhelmed by the logistics, you are not alone. But I'm going to break it down for you today, step by step. You'll learn how to legally collect sales tax, avoid common mistakes, and finally feel in control of this part of your business. Hey, I'm Heather, a wedding and senior photographer in Pennsylvania, and welcome to part 3 of my 4-part series all about sales tax for photographers. This series is here to help you avoid the classic, if I don't charge it, I don't have to pay it mistake, and run your business like a boss. These videos are brought to you by my course, Make Taxes Suck Less, a photographer-friendly guide that walks you through taxes step by step in normal people language, because no one wants to sort receipts at midnight or cry into their coffee come April. If you're tired of winging it or wondering if you're doing it right, this course was made for you. Now, let's jump into today's video. To collect sales tax legally, you first need to register for a sales tax license, also called a seller's permit. This is done through your state's Department of Revenue. You can Google register for sales tax license in, and then put your state. And in most states, it's actually free or under $50 and takes less than 30 minutes. Once approved, you'll receive a sales tax ID number and you're legally allowed to collect sales tax. Next, you want to set up your invoicing system to collect sales tax automatically on the things that require it. Most platforms like Honeybook, QuickBooks, Square, or Dubsado allow you to turn sales tax on per line item. So be sure you're only charging tax on what your state says is taxable. Include your sales tax license number on your invoice if your state recommends it, and make sure to double check your rates. They're often based on your business location or where the product is delivered. This way, you're not doing math manually every time and your records stay super clean. Now, on to collecting the sales tax. This one's easy. As clients pay their invoices, the sales tax gets automatically collected and separated out. But here's the thing, that sales tax is not your money. I repeat, it is not your money. It belongs to the state. So don't touch it. Don't spend it. Create a separate bank account if you need to and transfer the tax portion there regularly. Just make sure you don't spend that money. And lastly, it's time to pay the state. Your state will assign you a payment frequency, usually monthly, quarterly, or annually. Here's how to stay on top of that. Mark your due dates on a calendar. Actually, I recommend setting it a week or 2 weeks early so you know you're ahead of schedule. Next, log into your state's Department of Revenue portal, then report your total taxable sales and pay the amount due. Even if it's $0, you often still need to file. If you don't submit on time, most states charge you a late fee, even if no money was made. So here are a couple pro tips based on that. Number 1, many states offer small discounts, like 1 to 2%, if you pay ahead of or on time. I know it's not a ton, but hey, it adds up. The second tip is use a sales tax tracking spreadsheet or tool to record your taxable sales as you go. That way you're not scrambling at the end of the quarter. Hint, hint, your CRM may already run this report for you and all you have to do is download it. And then the third tip is revisit your settings once a year because tax rates change. So make sure you're staying up to date with it. You don't have to be an accountant to handle sales tax well. You just need the right steps and a system that works for your state and your offers. So remember, register your license, set up your invoicing, collect with confidence, and file and pay on time. That's it. Want to make this even easier? I break all this down in my course, Make Taxes Suck Less, so you can build a business that's profitable and legit. Next week, in part 4 of this series, we're wrapping it all up by answering the biggest myths photographers believe about sales tax, including some that could actually get you in trouble. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and leave a comment if you've registered your license yet. If not, let me know your state and I'll try to point you in the right direction. You have got this, and I'm here to help. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.